Runners and gym people, your recovery is broken if you do not have this. Lactic acid builds up in your calves, quads, and hamstrings after every session, and if it does not get broken down, your next performance suffers. This massager goes hands-free under your legs while you lie flat. 16 deep tissue heads, 5 speeds, powerful brushed motor. This is real recovery. Free shipping. Link in caption.
Here's how to order. Read the product ID and click my profile icon. Click the store link in bio. Search the ID directly or just use the chat option. Just describe what you've seen in the video and product appears.